everyone. My name is Casey. I work for Moldex3D for 14 years. I am based in Michigan office. Please keep your microphone muted. If you have any questions, please use the chat section in order to send your questions. If you would like to have a recording, please fill out the survey, and then we will send out you the webinar recording. Okay, today we are going to talk about the fiber orientation. In our fiber orientation, we have a model called RPR. We also are going to share a real case, including the fiber coupling and also flat fiber. So in the plastic injection molding, there are the fiber type which is long or short fiber. With a long and short fiber, you will be able to, due to how the material flow, it will affect how the fiber oriented. Especially when the long fiber in the screw, due to the screw rotating, the short fiber also will become, the bone fiber will become a short fiber. And this is what we are going to focus on today, how the material flow is going to affect how the fiber oriented. So let's take a look on the pictures, top left. So over here, you are able to see this is how the material flow. Fiber will be more oriented to your flow direction. And in the fiber, there are like in the middle of your thickness, the fiber, it will be more random. On the top of your skin, fiber will be more fiber oriented, which means the shrinkage, when they are more on the flow direction, the shrinkage will be lower compared to your perpendicular direction. And this is one of the reasons why FEA engineers, they care about fiber orientation. So over here, you can see they run flow simulation to get a fiber orientation, and then export the fiber orientation to FEA software such as ANSYS, Abacus, or LSDyna in order to understand the part performance.